Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. Today I'm going to show you how you can log into your existing account on the Pocket Broker app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Pocket Broker application on your device, and from the home page to log into your existing account, tap on the sign in button. This will now take you into the sign in page, and you can now log in with your Google account if you signed up to your account using your Google ID in the first place. Otherwise, just enter your email address and your password within the respective box. And in case you have forgotten your password, you can tap on the password recovery button. Finally, tap on the sign in button. And now this will log you in to your existing account on the Pocket Broker app right away. You can then immediately start to make your trades and earn your profits. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your existing account on the Pocket Broker app. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.